Hello student, welcome back. Today in this lecture we'll do a very easy but important topic, question tag. Now what do you mean by question tag? A question tag is a short addition to a sentence or statement for agreement or confirmation. It is commonly used in conversation. You can see the example of question tag on your screen. If you see the first example, it is raining outside. And the short addition in the answer is isn't it. See the second example, he is not clever. And the short addition is he. So students, these short additions are known as question tag. Now students, there are certain important rules which you have to follow to form question tag. And number one is, always remember that a question tag is formed by an auxiliary verb plus pronoun. In other words, subject of a question tag is always a pronoun. You can see in example how noun Vicky is changed to pronoun he in question tag. Number 2, if the statement is positive, the question tag is negative. For example, he is an intelligent boy and question tag is isn't he? Number 3, if the statement is negative, the question tag is positive. For example, Vikas cannot play chess well and tag for it is can he? See few more example on your screen. Number 4, if the statement does not have an auxiliary verb, use do, does or did depending on the person of the subject and the tense of the verb. For example, he drives a car. Now here drives means simple present tense. So simple present tense always take do or does. So question tag here is doesn't he? Next example, I drive a car. Now subject is I, that means the first person. So obviously the question tag will be don't I? See one more example. He played cricket. Now which tense is this? Yes, this is past tense. And past tense always take did when we make sentence negative or interrogative. So question tag here will be didn't he? Students, there are certain exceptions in question tag. That means some verbs or expressions have different question tag. Like I am. Example, I am fine and question tag for it will be aren't I. In case of positive imperative, example, come in and question tag will be won't you, and negative imperative, example, don't stop playing cricket and question tag will be will you. The sentence will start with let. Example, let's go to the beach, and for such cases question tag will be shall be. See few more example on your screen related to it. So student, this was it for this module, and most important, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Keep learning, rise and shine.